does Neuro Linguistic Programming truly mean? Neuro Linguistic Programming, or NLP for short, has been around since the 70s. Although it does have a dedicated following and many big names backing its effectiveness, it for some reason still seems little known or understood in the mainstream. Which is a crying shame, because almost everybody could in some way benefit from it. It does hold many life skills that could help anyone change their life and their results. If only they knew it existed or understood what it actually means. Let's see if I can change that, because I do have a great passion for what NLP can do for you. NLP is a modelling process. It was born out of academic work Richard Bandler and John Grinder did. They were pretty much into linguistics and created a study around how language can affect change. After studying and modelling Fritz Perls, Virginia Satir and Milton Erickson, NLP was born. It's basically the distilled essence, attitudes, tactics and genius of three of the greatest therapists in one dynamic program. That, in short, is NLP. So let's break it down. Neuro stands for your neurology, or nervous system, your mind. It's through your mind that you experience and process the raw data of reality via your five senses. The visual components of the experience, what you choose to see. The sounds that you deem relevant, or auditory data. The kinesthetics, which is your feelings, either internal or external. Any smells that come through your olfactory senses. And any tastes make up the gustatory data. Bear in mind, or in your neurology, this is just raw data. It has no meaning at this point. Then we have the all-important linguistic part of the name Neuro Linguistic Programming. That's the language that you choose to use internally and externally. Internal language is your self-talk, the making sense of the experience inside of self. External language is what we say or what we hear others say. This is an express representation of your perceived reality. This also includes any and all non-verbal communication. Now, this is the coding that you choose to use in order to give meaning to the experience that you're having. And you manage this process using pictures in your head. These pictures may have important sounds attached to them. They may have or stimulate important feelings to fit the meaning. They may even include smells and tastes, like Granny's baking. From this coding comes the words to describe the internal experience, to represent the external event. And then finally we have programming of Neuro Linguistic Programming. This is the structure, strategies and programs that we habitually run to assist us to dumb down reality. And we do need to dumb down reality to a manageable level to be able to communicate firstly with ourselves, as well as your actions, interactions, behaviours and communication with others. Our neurology draws on these systems and programs automatically to deliver specific outcomes. Now, some of these programs run in an optimal way and deliver amazing results for us, and some of the programs which may have experience will however be faulty and consistently deliver terrible results for us. And so, to summarise what NLP truly is, it's a powerful set of tools and techniques that utilises the language of the mind. And it does that to gain clarity and discover flaws and faults in the programming, allowing us to recalibrate it, gain wisdom or meaning from it, and then effectively repattern it, creating a higher functioning process to help consistently achieve specific desired results and outcomes. You can either choose to control what you think and what you do, or you can have what you think and what you do control you. The latter is less than ideal, but tends to be the way that the vast majority of people function. Interesting, isn't it? Interested, aren't you? Then you can read much more about it if you click the link below this video.